In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on Reddit. If you've been browsing a lot and want a quick reset of what Reddit remembers you've viewed, this walkthrough will show you exactly where the option lives and what it does, so you can clear things out with confidence. First, sign into your Reddit account. Make sure you're on the account you actually want to clear, especially if you switch between multiple profiles. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. A menu will drop down. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account's settings dashboard, which is where Reddit keeps all the controls for your profile, notifications, and privacy. At the top of the settings page, you'll see a row of tabs. Click the one labeled Privacy. This section manages what Reddit stores about your activity and how your data is handled. The option we want is lower on this page, so scroll down. Near the bottom, you'll see a row labeled Clear History. On the right side of that row, there's a Clear button. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Reddit will clear your post view history, and a small notification will appear at the bottom of your screen confirming it with the message, Post view history cleared. That's your sign that the action is complete. There's nothing else you need to approve. A few quick notes so you know exactly what changed. This clears the record of posts you viewed within Reddit, which can influence what shows up in recommendations and quick access areas. It does not delete your posts or comments, and it doesn't remove your upvotes, saves, or subscriptions. It also doesn't affect your web browser's history. That's separate and controlled by your browser settings. If you were expecting to remove other kinds of activity, such as search terms or individual content you've posted, those are managed elsewhere and are not part of this single clear action. If you don't see the Privacy tab right away, give the page a second to load, or refresh and try again. Interfaces can change slightly over time, but the clear history control remains in the Privacy area of settings. And if the button looks inactive, make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet, then retry. And that's it. You've cleared your Reddit post view history in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you want a quick cleanup.